Students, faculty, and staff, it is September 11th, Patriots Day. This is a day when we remember the events that occurred 18 years ago. It is also a day where we reflect on what it means to live in the United States. At LVA, our belief statements include the following. All members of Lehigh Valley Academy Regional Charter School community create a positive environment where diversity is accepted, respected, and appreciated. Please look around you. We share our classrooms with other students, teachers, and staff members. Each of them are different in their own way. We should learn from each other and value those individual traits. However, we also need to recognize how much we are the same. We are all looking for the same things: love, appreciation, caring, safety, respect. Everyone wants to be loved. Everyone wants to be appreciated. Everyone wants to be cared for. And everyone wants to be safe. Everyone wants to be respected. Community is a very important part of Lehigh Valley Academy. Each of us plays a key part in making LVA an amazing place to learn and work. We need everyone, students, teachers, administrators, and parents, to work together, to care for one another, to respect one another, to support one another. Your strengths, your voices, your dedication, your hard work, that is what brings us all together and makes for the wonderful community that makes LVA such a very special place. Education at LVA looks a little bit different. LVA is an IB school, it is a charter school, it's an independent school, and LVA is a public school. We value our differences and stay true to them. LVA doesn't want to be just like every other school. Please remember that it takes all of us to work together. Let's take a moment today to show everyone how much we appreciate each other. Let's put any disagreements aside and let's start fresh every day. I'm very proud to be part of this wonderful school. I thank all of you for choosing to be part of LVA and for doing your part to make Lehigh Valley Academy a magnificent school. Thank you.
From every mountainside Land of the noble free, thy name I love, thy name I love. I love thy rocks and rills, thy woods and templed hills. My heart with rapture thrills like Oh, beautiful for spacious skies, for amber waves of